Hello traders, and welcome to today's edition of Tactics and Analysis for Tuesday, September the 27th. The euro managed to hold onto its value on Monday and keep its consolidated short-term range, but as the day progressed, it did show a hint of weakness. ECB President Mario Draghi, while speaking in Brussels about European economic conditions, did voice his concerns about the banking sector. He suggested that some of Europe's banks should consider the possibility of mergers to strengthen infrastructure and profitability. This helped lead to some of the selling in the euro. Draghi's comments came directly in the wake of a troubling day of tradings for the European banking sector, led by a fall in Deutsche Bank to record low values. Germany's biggest corporate bank is facing withering criticism of its operations. Other European banks also declined heavily in the equity markets. The euro was able to gain last week after the U.S. Federal Reserve kept its monetary policy intact and did not raise its interest rate. This morning, the euro has essentially stayed in a tight range. However, German economic concerns are not about to fade away suddenly. A look at a midterm chart for the euro does show a consistent test of support and resistance levels. Early optimism and stability in the equity markets this morning has perhaps been spurred on by a perceived victory by Hillary Clinton in the first presidential debate. But euro traders should not count on this optimism to last long. The issues surrounding European growth outlooks and banking sector worries will not be easily masked. A long-term view of the euro shows a rather tranquil value range against the US dollar. Both the European Central Bank and US Federal Reserve would like to see this range remains quiet. However, the euro will confront its issues, which include the developing saga regarding the health of its corporate banking sector, EU stagnation, and the possibility of political instability in some of its member nations. Traders should keep in mind that the euro has avoided massive volatility, but that doesn't mean it will be able to charismatically conceal all of its problems. In the short term, there's still a chance the euro will see additional selling pressure if nervous sentiment escalates. Short term, the euro may be negative. Mid-term and long term, we are unbiased at this time. Thank you all for watching our tactics and analysis of the day. We wish you all a wonderful trading day, and we will see you again soon.